front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications right away. Then select App Settings under Manage. Click on Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Last but not least, click on blue switcher next to one of your apps to block notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can even tap on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!